Here we have a 2022 Harris 250 Sunliner. It is a Tri-Toon. Full length center tune there. Performance package. We'll go inside. It does have the in-floor storage. We do have plastic on it yet. That will be removed. Nice long benches. Cup holders with cell phone charges. Nice stitching in the seats. Armrests. Cup holders over there. There's also a removable cup holder you can move around. Storage under the helm. Little windscreen. Simrad Go 7. Does have a wireless charger, or you could plug your phone in. JL audio sound system. Nice high back helm chair. One for your co-pilot. Cup holders. It's really nice about this side gate. It's very wide if you need to accommodate a wheelchair. There is a door if you'd like to add a changing room, you can. Two long benches in the rear with armrests, more cup holders, speakers, cell phone chargers. This one does have an electric bimini top. Also comes with your full cover shown there. On the back we have a 250 horse Mercury outboard, stainless prop, ski tow bar, extended deck, cup holders in case you're in the water and need to keep a drink there. Beautiful boat. Come check this one out at SkipperBud's.